All right, guys, 2018 GMC Sierra Denali, 6.2 liter. It's got a built cam in it. It's got long tube headers. As you guys can see, there and there, wires into a single, giant flex pipe. Then what we did is install the Valvetronic 3.5 inch in, 3.5 inch out muffler in place of the stock muffler right there. Here we go. Kept the resonator on it and kept the tip. There's a Valvetronics muffler, and if you guys don't know how Valvetronics works, that valve is in here. It opens and closes. When it's closed, it goes through the muffler. When it's open, it becomes straight pipe. And the actuator, let me get up here so you can see it. There's the actuator on it. It's vacuum initiated. Okay, there it is. Valvetronic Designs muffler installed. Stay tuned. We're going to let you guys hear it. Here it is off the back like nothing happened. And there's the muffler on it right there. Yeah, valve's closed, huh? So that's valve's closed. Oh, he's blowing out all the crap out of that was in the piping. You can hear the cam. It's quiet though. That's not bad for it to have a cam with long tube headers. Valvetronics, you're doing your job well. That's a cold start. Give it gas. Wow, it's quiet. Again. Rev it up. Yeah, you can't even hear it. Right at 94. So if you guys have something that has a cam in it and you want to quiet it down when the valve is closed, go with Valvetronics. All right, we're gonna do round two. We're gonna open the valve. Don't rev it. So that's valves open now. Your sound decibels on valves open. About 5 decibels louder. Okay, now you can rev it. Yeah, it's so much better. Again. Sound decibels, go ahead. Right at 113. That's perfect. Nice. Go ahead and back it out. If you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. There's our beautiful shop. Our phone number, right down the street from Skyline Hospital on Dickerson Pike. So this is valves open outside on a single setup on Denali long tube headers. No cats. So this is valves closed now in about 2 seconds. So this is valves closed. Huge difference. 20 decibel difference, which is insane. Over 20 decibel, sound decibel difference. Wow. There's a Subi we did. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside now.
Alright, y'all, this is valve closed. That should be open now.
All right, round one on this GMC Sierra. Denali, 6.2 liter. Valves open on the Valvetronic mufflers. With resonator still on it, long tube headers, and no cats. And a cam, of course. You guys can hear the cam. All right, here we go, guys. Round two, valves closed. So you guys can hear the difference, which is insane. Look at that. Sounds like a stock truck. That's insane.
2018 GMC Denali, 6.2 liter, long tube headers, cam, no cats, 3.5 Valvetronic system. This is valves open, by the way, guys.